All right, let's go ahead and jump to the weather now because we've got the potential for some storms headed our way.
Yeah, haven't had much rain here in Central Texas in a while. Certainly haven't this year yet,
Right.
which is not super old yet, of course. Only 8 days in, but a decent chance of some showers and even thunderstorms tomorrow that could bring some locally heavy rain during the middle of the day. Outside right now, it's a bit tough to tell where our cold front is. Sure, we've got a lot of clouds overhead, and there is a boundary right on top of Central Texas, but it's not this boundary that's going to bring us the cold. It's this one. You can more easily see where the cold front is now, separating the 50s through 70s from the 40s and 30s behind the cold front. This cold front is not going to get into Central Texas until later tomorrow evening and night, but ahead of it, we'll have the potential for a few showers and storms here during the day here tomorrow. It's still going to be a reasonably warm day, just not as warm as the last several days when we've been either near or into the 80s. Instead, expecting highs in the low to mid 70s for most of us, some upper 70s in our eastern counties, which will be the areas that will see some cooling happening much later in the day. We now think close to half of the area will get some rain or storms here tomorrow. High of 72, that northwest to north wind picks up later in the day. And you can see how much of the night is still dry with only a tiny rain chance. Same goes for the morning commute tomorrow. Starts dry. Then things start to wake up, closing in on 9-10 in the morning with some showers at first that may quickly turn to thunderstorms. And now we're starting to see two separate high-resolution computer models signaling a decent chance of rain and storms between noon and 2 p.m. in the Austin metro. You can see here 1 o'clock. Certainly no guarantee of rain in the metro, but signs are pointing toward the odds being a little more in your favor now through that period. And then later in the afternoon, the rain chances start to fade away, with the showers concentrating more toward our eastern counties before drier weather takes over late tomorrow night and into Saturday. There is still a low 1 out of 5 severe weather risk from the metro east, with the primary concern here tomorrow actually being for large hail up to quarter size in diameter. Not expecting a tornado. There may be some brief wind gusts and very isolated flash flooding. Can't rule it out, but we've had so little rain lately, we don't think this is going to cause many problems. Most areas will get a 1/4 inch or less, with the hill country getting less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. Under a thunderstorm, there could be some localized 1/4 inch to 1 inch amounts, but pinpointing exactly where those would be a little too difficult. But for right now, most areas will still end up with fairly low rainfall amounts overall. And then once that second main cold front comes in late Friday night to Saturday, it's a windy one, bringing gusts 25 to 45 miles per hour Saturday through the day, especially in the morning, and bone-chilling wind chills to begin the day too. It may feel closer to freezing, even though eventually we'll get up to 58 in the afternoon. Winds settle down for Sunday, more of a mix of sun and clouds, and 63, bit more of a pleasant day here on Sunday, and pretty typical for this time of year as well. Monday, sun and clouds, 62, a tiny rain chance after a light morning freeze possible in the hill country, and then temperatures moderating a little bit next week with mid 60s to even a few upper 60s, and nighttime lows in the 40s and mostly dry.